is one of our trips in Manila. Nakasama namin yung mga relatives namin. We really had so much fun kasi magkakasama kami that time. No need to go out. Daddy will not take time. Yun na nga, may batang gustong bumaba, sumama sa daddy niya, pero hindi siya nagwagi kasi nagmamadali na kami and we really have to go to Picnic Grove. So, ito na nga, nasa Picnic Grove na kami this time. Yun, nagsasanitize na sila kasi we're getting ready para pumunta doon sa pinapasyalan sa Picnic Grove. So, we actually like to stroll near Tagaytay kasi kahit maaraw siya, mahangin pa din. But it depends kasi there were really times na mainit talaga kung mainit masyado ang panahon. But as of this moment, actually, napakaganda ng weather that time. So, nag-i-enjoy lang kami. Nagpi-picture for memories. And then, may mga cottages din sila. So, tumambay kami for a while para makapag-rest. And then, maglalakad na naman uli after some time. So, yun na nga. Yan ang aking Auntie Perla. My cousins are there. Ate Dayday, Ate Coco, Saysay, and Rolly. That's Daddy Shahid and Buboy. You know, mga camera shy daw sila. Pero magaganda yan sila. Of course! So, next namin na pinuntahan is the Sky Ranch. So, dyan, si Uncle Tenny and si Shahid, they tried that one. Sila lang yung naglakas ng loob na mag-try ng ride na yan kasi natatakot talaga kami. And then, this one, yung mga kiddos naman ang sumakay. Of course, nandyan ako to accompany my toddler, si Buboy. Nag-enjoy talaga siya. Hindi siya natatakot sa mga rides. Malakas yung loob niya. Unlike other kids his age na talagang natatakot kapag ganyan. Actually, parang for me, medyo extreme na nga yan for his age. Pero talagang nag-enjoy siya. Kahit na more than, I think, a year ago na tong video na to, I still wanted to upload it and to document it para naman may remembrance kami nung time na magkakasama kami in Manila kasi very seldom lang talaga na we got to have this kind of moment na magkakasama kaming lahat kasi busy din yung mga aunties and uncles namin in Manila, also Ate Dayday, and other of my cousins are still studying. Kaya, talaga, medyo gahol kami sa time. So, itong rides na to, this ride, talagang nag-enjoy kaming lahat. So, except for auntie and uncle, sumakay kaming lahat dyan. Nag-enjoy naman kami. Nakakatakot, actually. But it was a very good and intense experience. So, ito na naman si Buboy. Gusto daw niyang mag-try ng Vikings. For, yan siya, kids edition yan siya na Vikings. Hindi masyadong extreme yung experience. Pero, I think, for him, talagang gustong-gusto niya. Talagang na-amaze na siya. Before this video ends, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude sa aking auntie and uncle, sa aking mga cousins, Ate Dayday, and my niece and nephew for spending time with us. Kahit very busy sila, pero very present pa rin sa aming galaan that day. So I'm very much thankful for them for making memories with us, and we will cherish it. And I know mauulit pa rin tong banding na to, whether in Manila or here in Mindanao. We will see you again in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.